In addition to resolving disputes about workers' compensation entitlements, the Workers' Compensation Commission also mediates work injury damages disputes. Work injury damages are not the same as workers' compensation benefits. It is a single sum of money that may be awarded to a worker to compensate the worker for economic loss resulting from a workplace injury. In the case you're about to hear, Lan has been injured at work. She's now claiming work injury damages from her employer for not providing a safe working environment, which she says caused her injury. Lan, an aged care worker, is receiving workers' compensation benefits for an injury she sustained to her neck at work. She's now made a claim for damages, which the insurance company has disputed. Before commencing court proceedings for damages, Lan must first attempt to resolve the dispute through mediation at the Workers' Compensation Commission. Lan's lawyer has lodged an application for mediation with the Commission. Lan arrives at the Commission and first meets with her legal representatives. One of the Commission's panel of nationally accredited mediators is assigned to assist the parties to resolve Lan's claim for damages. The mediation commences when all the parties and their legal representatives are in the room. To make sure Lan clearly understands everything that is said during the mediation, she asked the Commission to organise an interpreter to be present at the mediation. The interpreter will attend the Commission and assist Lan, the insurer and the mediator where required. Before beginning the mediation, Lan's employer has agreed that they breached the duty of care and were negligent. They also agreed that Lan's level of permanent impairment is greater than 15%. Therefore, the only issue in dispute at the mediation is the amount of damages payable to Lan. Unlike the role of Commission arbitrators in disputes about workers' compensation benefits, it is not the role of the mediator to decide the outcome of a work injury damages dispute or to provide advice. The mediator's role is only to facilitate the discussion between the parties. Because the mediator is not a decision maker, they are able to have separate private conversations with each of the parties if necessary. This can help in resolving any deadlocks in the negotiations. Eventually, with the assistance of the mediator, Lan and her employer's insurer reach an agreement. Because the insurer will pay damages to Lan, this ends Lan's entitlement to workers' compensation payments. The mediation process is very successful at resolving work injury damages disputes. Where an agreement cannot be reached at mediation, the worker can pursue the claim by commencing court proceedings. If you or someone you know has a dispute about a work-related injury, the Workers' Compensation Commission can help. We have information available in many community languages. Visit our website to find out more.